Too strong on the rebound. Nakuha ni Ahan Lisi. Trailing by 5, rain or shine. They go to Norbert. He's gonna get blocked from behind. Nakakot na si Halalon. Wala nagsabi na may tao sa likod. Easy pass break. Barong at isang ka lang. And momentum on the side of the hot shots. And a timeout will be called by Coach Caloy.
PBA would like to thank the following.
Knows what to do. Here's Paul Lee. Fakes the 3. Kicks to Aldrich. Swing to Melton. Will drive. Leave it for Sangala. Ang guwapo naman ang play na yun. What a swap pass. Ganda ng hookup na yun. UE Warriors connection.
Tama.
James Siap to Mark Corporal. Sangala. Front Sebastian. Sinagot agad, no? For the 3, he's got 9 points in the ball game. Hook shot from Sangala. Sangala had to come out para tanggapin yung pasa na yun. Na kay Paul Lee ngayon. Ayun yung double ng dalawa. Roam inside to Ian.
Noong third and fourth quarter, na-outscore kayo ng rain or shine. But you kept your momentum, you protected your lead. How was Magnolia able to do that?
Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako kay God na nanalo pa din kami. Unang-una siguro hindi kami nag-give up. Naniwala kami sa game plan namin. Naniwala kami sa bawat isa na kaya naming manalo today. Binigay namin yung best namin para makuha yung game na to. Unang-una nagpapasalamat sa mga teammates ko. Naging positive sila sa laro na to.
You're at 2-2 right now, so basically back to 0, di ba? But what does this 2 consecutive win affect your confidence? Dahil syempre magpe-prepare kayo for Game 5.
Unang-una syempre hindi pa tapos yung series. Nag-end up ito sa best of 3. Syempre very important yung sa best of 3 makuha mo yung Game 1. Tapos syempre kailangan namin i-doble pa yung effort namin coming to the Game 5. Kasi pag nag-relax kami na alam namin na kaya naming manalo, hindi po pwede yun. So coming to the Game 5, alam namin na magiging ready kami at alam ko na yung mga teammates ko ibibigay yung mga best nila.
May mga babatian?
Unang-una, binabati ko yung wife ko na nanonood ngayon. Thank you sa support mo, I love you. Sa baby ko, tapos sa mama at papa ko sa Pampanga nanonood ngayon. Kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, kay Attorney Charlie Chua, kay Boss Danny Espiritu, at saka sa mga friend ko sa Pampanga, Kalayudi Boys. Maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng Magnolia fans, maraming salamat sa support niyo at sa lahat ng fans ng PBA, maraming salamat.
Alright, congratulations. Keep it up. Back to you, gentlemen.